In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Klaviyo email marketing campaign. We'll walk through the full process, from creating the campaign all the way to sending it out, so you can confidently launch your next email. Make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account, and once you're on the main dashboard, we'll get started. First, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your one-time emails live, like newsletters, announcements, or promotional blasts. Once you're on the Campaigns page, move to the top right corner and click the button that says Create Campaign. A few options will appear, and for this walkthrough, choose Email. This tells Klaviyo that you're setting up a standard email campaign rather than, say, an SMS campaign. Next, you'll be asked to name your campaign and confirm the type. Pick a clear campaign name that makes sense to you and your team, something that describes what the email is about or who it's going to. This is internal, so your subscribers won't see it, but a descriptive name makes it much easier to track performance later. Once you've entered the name, click Continue. Now it's time to choose your recipients. In the Send to dropdown, select the list or segment you want to email. This might be your main newsletter list, recent purchasers, or a specific segment you've built. Make sure you're choosing an audience that actually matches the purpose of the campaign. When you're happy with the selection, click Continue to Content. Here, you'll fill in the basics your subscribers will see in their inbox. Add your subject line, which should be clear and enticing, and your preview text, which is that short line that appears next to the subject in most email clients. Then confirm your sender information, like the from name and from email address, so people recognize who the email is coming from. When everything looks good, click Continue to Design. On the design screen, choose Drag and Drop. This opens up Klaviyo's visual builder, which is great if you're not coding emails by hand. From the template library, pick a layout that fits the type of email you're sending, whether it's a simple announcement or a more visual promotion. Once the editor opens, customize the content with your own text, images, branding, and links. Take a moment to check mobile and desktop previews so everything looks clean and readable. When you're satisfied, click Save and Exit in the top right. You'll now land on the campaign summary. Click Continue to Review. Here, Klaviyo will show you a checklist. Make sure every item has a green check mark, confirming that your audience, content, and settings are all ready. Finally, when everything looks correct, click Schedule or Send. For this example, choose Send Now, then click Send to launch your campaign immediately. Your email is now on its way to your subscribers.